Waiting for the 2027 Mazda CX-50 is one of the smartest moves a compact SUV buyer can make this year. If you've been settling for crossovers that look the same, drive the same, and charge more every model year for the same tired formula, the 2027 CX-50 is going to solve every single one of those frustrations. Most compact SUVs in this segment are asking premium prices for a touchscreen-heavy interior and a forgettable driving experience, but the 2027 CX-50 is going the opposite direction, with a near-luxury cabin, a turbocharged engine that no rival can match, and starting prices that haven't moved more than a few $100s from last year. Here are 6 reasons why waiting for the 2027 Mazda CX-50 is a genius move. Number 6. Luxurious, elegant, and mostly analog cabin. Walk through a dealership today and you'll notice something. Nearly every compact SUV is working from the same interior playbook. Giant touchscreen, glossy plastic, climate control buried 3 menus deep. It's a trend that's gradually stripped the pleasure out of everyday driving, and a growing number of buyers are reaching their limit with it. The CX-50's cabin is going in a very different direction. Mazda has built an interior that sits closer to a junior luxury car than a mainstream compact crossover. Premium materials are covering the dashboard and door panels throughout the range. Front seats are well-shaped and supportive, available with both heating and ventilation. The top-spec Turbo Premium Plus trim is going to offer black leather upholstery with contrasting brown stitching, a detail that would feel at home in a vehicle costing considerably more. Think about how many times a day a driver adjusts the volume or changes the temperature. Now imagine doing all of that through a touchscreen, requiring 2 taps to reach the right menu. The CX-50 is solving that problem directly. Physical controls are remaining in charge of the key functions, and a rotary controller on the center console handles the rest. The driver never needs to take their eyes off the road to use it. The new CX-5 has been moving in the opposite direction, deeper into touchscreen territory, which means the CX-50 is going to hold its ground as the clear choice for buyers who want a cabin that actually functions the way a cabin should. That interior alone makes a strong case, but what's sitting under the hood is going to make it even harder to walk away. Number 5. Turbo 4 still on offer. Most compact SUVs in this segment rely on naturally aspirated 4-cylinder engines. They're adequate. They move the vehicle without complaint. Adequate, though, is not what the CX-50 Turbo is going for. The turbocharged 2.5-liter 4-cylinder is remaining on the 2027 options list, and its numbers belong in a different conversation entirely. 256 horsepower and 320 pound-feet of torque are figures that would raise eyebrows in a sports sedan, let alone a 5-passenger crossover. The CX-5 is no longer offering the turbocharged engine at all, which means buyers who want Mazda's high-output compact experience now have exactly one option. The CX-50 owns that territory outright. The turbo is compelling on its own. But for buyers who want performance and efficiency together, the next reason to wait is equally difficult to ignore. Number 4. Hybrid efficiency. Fuel prices don't move in one direction. Anyone who has owned a larger vehicle through a spike at the pump knows exactly how fast fill-up costs become uncomfortable. The gap between 26 miles per gallon and 38 miles per gallon isn't just a statistic. Over a full year of driving, it translates to hundreds of dollars that either stay in a wallet or disappear into a fuel tank. Rather than engineering a new hybrid system from scratch, Mazda borrowed the proven 2.5-liter 4-cylinder powertrain directly from the Toyota RAV4 Hybrid, a system that has been running without significant reliability concerns for years. Combined output reaches 219 horsepower, with one electric motor dedicated to the rear wheels, meaning all-wheel drive comes built into the system at no extra cost. EPA fuel economy is rated at 39 miles per gallon city, 37 highway, and 38 combined. That's a 12 miles per gallon improvement over the non-hybrid CX-50. For buyers focused on long-term running costs, this is one of the strongest choices in the class. Efficient, well-packaged, and backed by Toyota engineering already proven at scale. Efficiency handled. But what the CX-50 does on a winding road is a completely different story. Number 3. A level of athleticism that has no match. Pick any other compact SUV in this segment and drive it back-to-back with the CX-50. The difference becomes clear within the first set of corners. Most rivals are comfortable, competent, and thoroughly unremarkable behind the wheel. Mazda has never accepted that standard. There is a specific frustration that builds over years of driving something that feels detached and vague. Corners requiring guesswork, steering communicating nothing, a chassis so soft the driver feels disconnected from the road entirely. The CX-50 is the answer to all of that. Its suspension controls body motion without without punishing passengers, and its steering is accurate and direct. The turbo model posts a 0.84 G skid pad result and stops from 70 miles per hour in just 167 feet, numbers more commonly associated with sport-oriented vehicles. All-wheel drive is going to come standard across the entire lineup. Not a trim-level upgrade, but standard equipment on every single CX-50. On wet roads or winter conditions that turn a commute into a challenge, the system works continuously without any driver input required. The Subaru Forester and Kia Sportage are reliable machines, but neither is going to leave a driver feeling that the journey itself was worth something. The CX-50 does. And while the driving experience sets it apart mechanically, what it looks like doing it is just as hard to overlook. Number 2. Timeless elegance in a rugged package. The CX-50 has been on sale for several years. Here's what's telling: it still turns heads. In a segment of crossovers that look almost interchangeable, the CX-50 carries a presence most rivals simply aren't achieving. Wide fender flares give the body a muscular, grounded stance. The roofline sits noticeably lower than the CX-5, adding athleticism without affecting rear headroom. A sculpted hood and clean grille give the front end a focused, purposeful look. From the rear, the proportions are balanced and resolved, never anonymous, never cluttered with unnecessary detail. What Mazda has accomplished is a precise balance between elegant and rugged that is going to age far better than the trend-chasing alternatives competing against it. The Meridian Edition trim is adding a particularly appealing option to the 2027 range: unique exterior detailing, black roof rails, and exclusive interior treatments. The CX-50's styling is not a concession. It's one of the vehicle's genuine strengths. Pair that with what the 2027 model is going to cost, and the decision to wait becomes very difficult to argue against. Number 1. Competitive pricing. An SUV with a near-luxury interior, a turbocharged performance variant, a Toyota-sourced hybrid system, and class-leading driving dynamics would typically carry a significant premium over the average compact crossover. The 2027 CX-50 is not going to do that. The base Select trim is about to start at approximately $32,000. That's barely above the current model's $31,395 opening price. The Honda CR-V starts at $32,370. The Toyota RAV4 opens at $33,350. The Ford Bronco Sport sits at $33,840. The 2027 CX-50 is landing at the same address as all of them, but arriving with interior quality and driving character none of those alternatives are going to match. The preferred trim sits near $34,000, the Meridian Edition around $36,000, and the Premium at approximately $37,000, adding a panoramic sunroof and Bose audio. The Turbo with 256 horsepower and the full equipment package comes in near $40,000. The 2027 CX-50 is going to deliver every advantage on this list at pricing that has barely shifted from what's currently on lots. A refined cabin, a proven hybrid system, a turbocharged engine with no real competitor, driving dynamics the segment can't match, and styling that holds up years after debut, all starting at $32,000. For the right buyer, waiting a little longer is going to be one of the better decisions they make this year. The 2027 Mazda CX-50 is arriving with a cabin that puts most luxury-branded competitors to shame, a turbocharged engine that now stands completely alone in Mazda's lineup, a Toyota-sourced hybrid system returning 38 miles per gallon combined, driving dynamics no other compact SUV in this price range is going to replicate, styling that has held up for years without looking dated, and a base price barely touching $32,000. Buying the 2026 model today means paying nearly the same money for a vehicle that is one model year behind on all of those fronts. The 2027 model is coming, and for anyone serious about getting the most out of a compact SUV purchase, the wait is going to be worth every week. But even if you think that the CX-50 is an amazing compact crossover, don't write the competition off. If you're looking for something that puts more focus on refinement and practicality, make sure to check out our video about the 2027 Honda CR-V. With the latest updates, combined with CR-V's traditional strengths, this crossover solidifies its position as the most complete compact SUV on the market even more.